Anthony DiBernardo, Swig and Swine Barbecue out of Charleston, South Carolina. What barbecue means to me, barbecue is a way for me to bring everybody together and make them happy with food, connect with the community that we're in, and you know, just express myself and make a living doing it. Patience. Have patience. It's going to take a lot of practice. You're going to have to change things numerous times to dial it in to get it the way you like it. Love what you do. I mean, you spend so much time tending fires, and it's hard work. And if you don't love it, then there's no use in doing it. And if I had to pick a third thing, travel when you can. Started Swig and Swine 5 years ago. For the first 3 years, we were chained to the restaurants and couldn't break away. But finally, getting able to break away and spread my wings, and this barbecue community that we live and work in is absolutely amazing. And when you get on the road and you start meeting some of these people, it just opens your eyes and makes you realize a whole nother reason why we do what we do.